A Med 2 form is a form that you use to claim back tax on non-routine dental treatments. Once you finish your dental treatment, our receptionist will provide you with a completed form. Everyone is eligible, providing that you're a taxpayer in Ireland and you've received non-routine dental treatments. The main benefit of a Med 2 form is that you get 20% back on non-routine dental treatment. This means if your treatment costs €1,000, you're going to get €200 back. There's a total of 10 treatments covered. The most common treatments are root canal, crowns, implants, and impacted wisdom teeth. You can submit your Med 2 form at any time once you've received it. All you need to do is ensure it's done before the end of the year. Simply go on to myrevenue.ie and upload your form. For more information, we also have a step-by-step video of how to do it on our YouTube channel. Absolutely, all you need to do is contact one of our front of house team members and they'll provide the form for you. However, if you haven't started treatment and you're interested in braces, aligners or implants, why not book your free consultation now?